A skincare oil that can improve stretch marks, not just prevent them, acne scars, even out skin tone, and help your skincare products work better. I'm going to share what it is with you in today's video. Well, hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert, and I'm here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. So if that is the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube, please be sure and hit subscribe and the little notification bell so that you know when my new videos come out every week. All right, when it comes to talking about repairing skin damage, things like stretch marks or acne scarring, it really does come down to superhydration and the application of ingredients, vitamin A and E, namely, to help support collagen production and strengthen that elastin to give the skin more flexibility and elasticity. And some skincare oils can actually be very efficient at doing this. Now, I just did a video on skincare oil for anti-aging, this one right here, so be sure to check that video out after we're done with this video today. But oftentimes, the application of a good skincare oil can be more efficient because oils don't evaporate. And a lot of times, our serums and our ingredients that are really good for skin are in water-based formulas, which can evaporate, and we lose some of the efficiency of those. So yeah, a skincare oil kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Now, for those of you who've been around a while, you know that I follow a fairly rigorous workout routine with weights and resistance training. And one of the side effects of weight training can be stretch marks that can happen in the areas where the skin gets stretched as you're working out the muscle. Now, for years, I've used specific type of lotions to prevent stretch marks because I don't need to be adding more marks to my 58-year-old body. But in fact, I did have one form on the left side between my chest and my shoulder. Again, a very typical place to get one. And I was able to actually repair that. In fact, fade it so much, I don't even see it anymore. So I wanted to share this product with you guys today. It's Bio Oil. And a lot of you have actually asked me about this oil in the past, and I've waited to do a video on it because I got to try things out and make sure they work before I'm going to spend time telling you about them, because I don't waste your time or money or mine. Now, Bio Oil is a blend of non-comedogenic oils like sunflower, lavender, rosemary, and chamomile, which can be very soothing, hydrating, and they're also anti-inflammatory oils that help soothe and protect your skin. You know, we often talk about building up that lipid layer because the lipid layer helps stop things like transepidermal moisture loss and helps your skincare products work better by kind of putting a cap over your skin, which keeps irritants out and moisture in. But Bio Oil also includes vitamin A oil in its formulation, and vitamin A oil is good for helping to repair the skin, speed up cellular turnover, boost collagen production, give your skin some extra elasticity, and actually brighten and even out skin tone. While vitamin E has been around for a long time as a topical for skin, can help lighten acne scarring and help in the healing process, and also helps protect your skin from the signs of aging. So how does Bio Oil actually help your other skincare products work better? Well, by applying a very thin layer of this oil as a last step in your night skincare routine, it's going to help trap that extra moisture that you need. It's going to help other products like retinol work better and help to dissolve that bond between old dead skin cells and new skin cells so that you get better results faster. And if you have dry skin issues, this oil is amazing for that in helping to cap that moisture again, build up that lipid layer, and help soothe and heal dry, damaged skin. So this is a really well-formulated oil product that I think can be an important part of your skincare routine, whether it's anti-aging, stretch marks, or acne-type scars. And to me, much better than slathering on Vaseline, which has no inherent skin healing properties. It's great for trapping that moisture, but it's not going to do anything extra for your skin. Now, to get the complete skin healing results from this oil, they suggest applying it twice a day, ongoing, for about 3 months. It's really for repairing stretch marks or preventing them in pregnancy, applying that in the first trimester, and then continuing on until after your child is born. It is safe for pregnant women, but as always, you should check with your doctor if you're pregnant before you use any type of topical product on your skin. Now, the oil is very inexpensive. It runs about $27, $28. A bottle lasts about 2 months, which is a really great value, I think. And I only have one negative when it comes to this product, and it is that it contains fragrance. And you guys know that I don't think a lot of times fragrance is necessary. It does have a light amount of fragrance. I used it on my sensitive skin. I had no issues. But because it does have fragrance, you need to patch test, do that inner arm patch test with the product for 48 hours before you apply it to anywhere else like your face or other parts of the body, which I failed to mention that this oil is good and suitable for other parts of the body, not just obviously your face, but it will work really well on stretch marks. The reviews for this product on its efficacy for preventing and healing and repairing stretch marks are off the chart. I will put a link to the product down below in the video description box. I highly recommend that you go and check it out for yourself, and also check out this video coming up next on those best anti-aging skin oils. It's a doozy, and you really will be surprised at what some of those oils can do for your skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys, stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next video. Got a skincare question you want answered? Just type Chris Gibson and the topic in the YouTube search bar and the video will come up.